Heno, ni'n cael gweliad o'r ffilm People's Emergency Briefing.
I've watched this film twice over this week to try and prepare myself for this. It's hard. Mae'n galed I gwylio, mae'n anodd I gwylio. It's hard-hitting.
Mae'r ffilm yn pwerus iawn. Mae lot o gwybodaeth yn y ffilm sydd yn dod â y byd international politics gyda'i gilydd, gyda health, gyda warfare, gyda tywydd yn Bryden. So mae'n dod â really intersectional kind of understanding o popeth at ei gilydd.
Don't run out halfway through, please. Paidwch madel hanner ffordd trwyddo, achos it's ultimately very positive. Anisig, I've been working in this decarbonisation space for about 16 years or 15 years, and the technological advances are fantastic.
Mae ffilm anodd I weld, ond mae gobaith yna I pawb un ohono ni, os dyn ni'n gallu weithio I gilydd.
O lot o bethau oedd yn cael ei trafod, o'n i'n gwybod I ryw radda, ond rhai bethau do'n I ddim yn ymwybodol ohonyn nhw, ac o'n I eisiau gwybod beth allan I wneud yn bersonol a pa fath o bwysau allan I roi ar y llywodraeth mwyn newid pethau.
And the thing that I got most from the film is, there is hope, there is so much that we can do.
Byddai'n wych ar ôl y ffilm wedyn, gyda ni, bod bron 200 o bobl yma, bod ni wedi gallu mynd I grwpiau I drafod, a dde'n ddiddorol I glywed sut I ni'n gweld pethau, a pam I ni yma, a beth gallwn ni drio wneud.
Things that stayed with our group most was how unsustainable our housing is.
There was a lot of feeling that so many people out there don't understand what's going on and they don't know the urgency.
The predominant feeling was concern for future generations, our children, our grandchildren.
It's bewildering because the answers are there and the action isn't happening, so why?
It's really the things close to your skin that matter, and that's food and clothes.
We had a good deal of emotion, heartbreak, overwhelm, anger, but we also came out with some positives. We've got a guy here from our local council.
In 2016-17, we were emitting 26,500 tonnes of CO2 per annum. Since then, we reduced that by 10,000 tonnes per annum.
And we had a bit of a discussion point about cutting through the noise, misinformation, disinformation, how difficult that is.
Y gair fan hyn oedd trychwant, greed, ond hefyd i atgoffa bod rhaid I ni feddwl am y byd natur hefyd, y genedlaeth nesaf yn y byd natur. A sut mae'r gwaith hyn yn edrych yn Cefn Cymru?
There's too much centralised power. And we need to get away from that, and that would stimulate more debate.
If people don't have their basic needs met, they are not going to be able to give the correct attention and the correct emphasis on issues relating to the climate.
A lot of people in this group were talking about how they would want to try and help to get the message out on a sort of more hyper-local level.
We talked about the sort of global thinking, that this needs to be a big globally political thing that we're all invested in countrywide and further, that it needs to be big action legislations put in place that prevent people from doing stuff that harms the environment.
It's really interesting to hear all the different responses, how it makes people feel and what they want to do about it.
Dyn ni wedi hoffi clywed y fwy yn ymwneud gyda'r hardal ni yn hunain.
Llawer o'r wybodaeth yn sioc, o'n I ddim yn gwybod faint o'r byd mae'r climate change yn digwydd.
A dde'n wych I weld gymaint o bobl yma I ddod at ei gilydd a gymaint o bobl sy'n a concern.
We heard Jennifer Saunders say that if she had her way, she would have every school, every church hall, every workplace showing this film. If we could have a show of hands if you think that would be worth doing. So the great news is that anyone can put this film on anywhere. We're asking people if they will sign a petition to demand that the government puts on a televised debate UK-wide so that people can get the facts, they can see exactly what the situation is.